Here the question is to explain the role of activated charcoal in gas mask. Activated charcoal or activated carbon plays a crucial role in gas mask by absorbing toxic gases and vapors. Its large surface area and porous structure allow it to capture and hold various chemical contaminants. Thereby it purifies the air that wearer breathes. This makes it effective against a range of harmful substances including industrial pollutants, chemical warfare agents and other toxic gases. Coming to the second question, it is given a colloidal particle is prepared by the given method which is shown in the diagram. We need to find out the charge on the hydrated ferric oxide colloidal particles formed in the test tube. And we also need to explain how is the salt represented. Here we can see sodium hydroxide solution is taken in the test tube and we are adding ferric chloride solution. So the salt particle will be negatively charged and we can represent these salt particles as per the given formula. That is Fe2O3 H2O and the charge will be negative. So we need to write OH minus to indicate the negative charge. The third question is to explain the effect of temperature on chemisorption. Chemisorption involves the chemical bonding between the adsorbate and adsorbent. It generally depends on temperature because chemisorption usually increases with temperature. The process often involves breaking and forming chemical bonds which require energy. Higher temperature provide this energy, so it leads to the stronger interaction between the adsorbate and adsorbent. The chemisorption involves the overcoming an activation energy barrier. The higher temperature can help to overcome this barrier and it facilitates the adsorption process. However, at very high temperatures, the adsorption might become saturated or the adsorbate may desorb due to increased kinetic energy. This potentially leads to a decrease in amount of adsorbate retained. So we can say the chemisorption typically increases with temperature up to a point after which excessive heat may lead to desorption or degradation of adsorbent or adsorbate.